With remote work and gaming setups dominating our living areas, the demand for compact fitness solutions has skyrocketed. This guide targets sedentary professionals, typists, coders, and gamers who need efficient, space-saving cardio to counteract hours at the desk. We evaluate these rowers based on resistance type, akin to switch feel, build quality, layout, footprint, and value.
Product number 1. Rowing machine for home. Reviewed model, Sunny Health and Fitness SF-RW5515 Magnetic Rowing Machine. The rowing machine for home category is often dominated by the Sunny Health and Fitness SF-RW5515, a quintessential choice for anyone dealing with tight quarters. For the typist or gamer who spends 8+ hours in a chair, this machine offers a critical counter stretch for the back and legs without requiring a dedicated gym room. Its standout feature for small spaces is its upright folding capability. You can simply pull a pin, fold the slide rail vertically, and tuck it into a corner or closet, reducing its footprint significantly. In terms of resistance type, it utilizes a magnetic tension system with 8 adjustable levels. This is particularly appealing for home offices because it is whisper quiet. Unlike air rowers that generate wind noise, which might disturb a roommate or drown out your gaming audio, the magnetic resistance provides a smooth, silent glide. The build quality is surprising for the price point, featuring a steel mainframe that supports up to 250 pounds. The layout is ergonomic with a non-slip handlebar and large foot pedals with adjustable straps, ensuring your form remains stable even during intense sprints. Value-wise, it sits in the affordable sweet spot, making it an excellent entry-level rower for those who want to test the waters of indoor rowing without a massive financial commitment. It delivers a solid, low-impact cardiovascular workout that targets the very muscles stiffened by long gaming sessions. Product number 2. Yosuda Magnetic Water Rowing Machine for Home. Yosuda has built a reputation for robust home fitness equipment, and their magnetic rowing machine is a heavyweight contender for small spaces. This model is particularly attractive for gamers and tech-heavy users because it often comes with a tablet holder that doesn't block your view of the data monitor, allowing you to stream streams or watch gameplay walkthroughs while you row. The build quality here is a step up, boasting a heavy-duty steel frame that supports a substantial 350 pounds. This makes it an incredibly stable platform for larger users who might feel cramped or insecure on budget models. Despite this sturdiness, the layout remains conscious of small apartments. It features built-in transportation wheels and a foldable rail system that reduces the storage length by nearly half. Regarding resistance type, the Yosuda shines with its 16-level magnetic system. This offers a wider range of intensity than standard 8-level machines, allowing you to progress from light recovery rows to heavy resistance drags that mimic a tactile heavy switch feel. The double slide rail design is a key evaluator here. It provides a smoother, more stable seat glide than single rail counterparts, reducing wobbling during vigorous strokes. Product number 3. Meroc Rowing Machines for Home. The Meroc QS1 is the rower for the smart home enthusiast. If your desk setup includes the latest mechanical keyboard and high refresh monitor, you will appreciate the modern aesthetic and smart integration of the Meroc. It addresses the layout constraint beautifully with a sleek, minimalist design that looks less like clunky gym equipment and more like a piece of modern furniture. It stores upright with ease, taking up less than 2 square feet of floor space, roughly the size of a standard PC tower case. The resistance type is where Meroc innovates. It uses a hyper-quiet magnetic system controlled via a smart knob or Bluetooth app, which feels very intuitive. For typists who appreciate feedback, the knob provides a satisfying way to dial in 16 levels of tension. The machine connects seamlessly to the Meroc app and often Kinemap, allowing you to auto-adjust resistance based on training courses, a feature usually reserved for machines 3 times the price. Product number 4. Magnetic Rowing Machine. Often appearing in search results simply as a top-rated magnetic rowing machine, The Xterra Fitness ERG220 is a workhorse designed for efficiency. For the user with a small apartment who needs a no-nonsense workout between Zoom calls or matchmaking queues, this machine delivers. It prioritizes a compact layout above all else. Even when unfolded, it has a shorter chassis than many competitors, making it easier to fit into a bedroom or a tight home office. The resistance type is a manually adjustable magnetic system with 8 distinct levels. While it lacks the smart features of the Mirage, it makes up for it with mechanical reliability. The dial gives a distinct click feedback, allowing you to switch intensity instantly without fumbling through digital menus. The flywheel is precision balanced to ensure a momentum-preserving stroke, which is crucial for maintaining a good rhythm and preventing the jerky feel common in compact rowers. Build quality focuses on the essentials, a solid steel frame and a large contoured seat that accommodates different body types comfortably. The LCD monitor is simple but effective, tracking time, count, and calories. It evaluates well on value because it strips away the bells and whistles to invest in the core mechanism, the smooth magnetic drive.
Product number 5. Rowing machines for home. Rounding out the list under the generic Rowing Machines for Home banner is the unique Stamina Body Track Glider 1050. This machine is distinct because it uses hydraulic cylinder resistance rather than a magnetic flywheel, which fundamentally changes the layout and feel. It is arguably the best option for extremely small spaces because it has no long flywheel housing. Instead, it uses 2 rowing arms that mimic the actual motion of oars on water. The resistance type, hydraulic gas shock, offers a smooth, tough resistance that can be adjusted by a dial on the cylinder. Typists will appreciate the full range of motion arms, which force the shoulders and upper back to open up, countering the hunched keyboard posture effectively. The build quality is sturdy steel, and because the arms fold inward and the frame stands on end, it can slide under a bed or into a closet more easily than any magnetic rower. While the hydraulic fluid can heat up during long sessions, a minor trade-off,